Hey, welcome to my channel. And today what we have before us is a slant fin Intrepid, one of their larger ones that we installed sometime circa 2014, so it's about 8 years ago at the time of this filming. So what happened was that the front plate there, which is definitely the Achilles heel of this model, it started to leak. This is the inside. This is where the sight glass tapping is. And this is the remains of the gasket, completely brittle. It was mainly leaking in this area here. It was so bad. Even this is one of the stainless steel bolts that we removed, one of the 12. They came out fairly readily, but the head had come off, but fortunately we were able to grab enough of it and get it out. So this is what made this job possible. So we're going to install this plate when we get a chance. Talk to you later.